Online Media Practitioners Association of Nigeria, UPPAN Delta State Chapter, in a media parley with the Delta State Commissioner for Higher Education, Professor Patrick Mobuare. Professor Patrick Mobuare, who was magnanimous, responded to questions posed by the online journalists addressing the recent calls for his resignation by a certain group and the challenges of higher education in the state, among others.
Well, thank you for that. I'll give you a little background to that. It is the National Association of Delta State Students. As the name implies, it's an association of students. They were elected sometime in October or November last year. I mean the current executive. And some time ago, I think just before the lockdown or so, the route to say that before institutions resume, they want to donate a 20-man committee to work with the government to supervise the institutions, the tertiary institutions, that's the university, the polytechnics, and the colleges of education, specifically to supervise the fumigation and other such things. I laughed when I saw the list that was sent to me, a list of 20 names. And the funny thing about the list, why it cannot fly and will not fly, is that about 80% of them are not even students. Some graduated 12 years ago, 10 years ago, about 15 years ago. This ministry deals with the institutions and those therein. So the students, I know they are therein. But these other persons are not my responsibility. They are not even the responsibility of any institution. Because when something happens, what we do here is to call either the vice chancellor, the provost, or the rector. A student is alleged to have done so. And the rector tells you, sorry, we do not have such a student in our records. So what do you do as a commissioner when you have such cases with you? And so I just dismissed it as being something coming from unserious persons. And then the most painful thing is that about 4 to 5 of them on that list are civil servants in the Delta State Civil Service. You really mean I, a commissioner for higher education, will write to the governor that students have recommended 5 of their own to be members of their state committee on COVID-19 fumigation, and will list, I won't mention their names now so I don't embarrass them publicly. I will list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know whom the governor is. He will go through this list. He has his information outside the ministries. The SSS reports to the governor, right? The police intelligence reports to him. Sometimes military intelligence also reports to him. And when he hears that I, a teacher in the university, recommended to him civil servants to serve in a student committee, in fact, that is one reason, that is the main reason I should resign, not the reasons they have given. And so I would never recommend that. I will not do it. Government must not be blackmailed or intimidated. Yes, I agree. People who are not working can ask for empowerment. And it's for that reason, apart from the Ministry of Youth Development, the Okowa administration established the Job Creation Office. Very well funded. You are not strangers to the various skill acquisition programs that the Delta State government has carried out, and the startup has given to them. They are given money to take off. People are being trained in Uberi and other places just to ensure that they are able to employ themselves. They are able to engage themselves. So these ones who have graduated 15, 12 years ago, 10 years ago, who say they have no jobs, they know where to go to. The Ministry of Youth Development is doing a fantastic job getting the youths engaged. C4 is doing that. You take advantage of that. This ministry trains. It's not this ministry that engages after training. So if we are to engage after training, of course, we have nothing to do again. Right? So we train, for the job market. And the Delta State government is making it easy for them to engage themselves. Why can't you? But it is also wicked that if government actually wants to do something for students, 80% of the beneficiaries will be non-students. It is irresponsible. And no government, I repeat, no government condones that. Certainly not the Okowa government. Does not condone indiscipline. It is not done. So calling on me to resign is familiar. It's a familiar term. He must resign.